No, este no, el agua del coco.
Pero prueba ese.
No, yo ya los he probado.
Cuidado.
Cabrón. What are you doing, you? What the heck, man? What the f is your problem? What are you doing? You fat fuck. Yup. Knew that was gonna happen.
To spend this much money on? Should maybe our allies spend more on defense so that they can take a piece of that responsibility? I mean,
what do you think on that? I'm super curious, actually.
I think it's a good thing. I think countries should be more self-sufficient in their defense and have a sober discussion about, like, hey, is this the right thing to spend this much money on? Should maybe our allies spend more on defense?
So we've got, if you look at Formula D in the States, 1,000 plus horsepower is kind of like the entry level.
Yeah, definitely. And then once you've got a big tyre on it, and then go into a track where the car speeds fast, it takes a lot to overcome. Whereas when you've got components that aren't up to the task, but you still want to do the revs, because that's what we want to do. We always want to do more than what we can do. You just need to open it up. Which, opening up bearing clearance is probably more negatives than positives. But if
Doing? Oh my. Are you kidding me?
Không cần phải trả tiền agent, tôi có thể mua nhà for sale by owner. Những người nói như vậy là những người ta có cái kinh nghiệm, người ta có kiến thức, người ta có khả năng đọc hiểu tiếng Anh về những cái từ chuyên môn về real estate.
Aquí todos los escarbaderos que andan haciendo también donde quiera. Mucha gente en la calle. Es cabrona, China. ¿Sí será? No puede ver.
Yo no puedo ver tampoco.
Ya no, mejor espera. Cuidado.